Using the apparatus shown, chlorine was passed through the tube. After a short time, colored substances were seen at P, Q, and R. Those that tested this year, because very near, right, on periodic table, get used to it. This question might just come out for your 6 to 8 marks question, your written paper section 8, right? It came out in some schools before. They just because we can easily stretch this to a 10 marks question anyway. So what is happening over here? What were these colored substances? So let's do it together. Now, what is this substance first in the first place, right? So whatever color I use. Okay, this is chlorine. And then I put it to where? I put it to potassium bromide. They will meet each other and say hello. So the question is right now, is there a reaction over here? What are we testing you? Displacement reaction. Chlorine is more reactive than bromine. So what happens? You kick it out. And therefore, this is the equation. I balance for you. Okay, everyone? Very fun, this one. Let's keep it simple. I finish it. Now, so what is at P right now? P will therefore be bromine. Make sense? That fly through the tube. But bromine isn't it? Bromine was a state. Ladies and gentlemen, bromine is what? Solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature. It's a liquid. But liquid, then we cannot move, ma. So here they say it must be a gas. That's why it moved through. Why is it possibly a gas, not a liquid? You understand my question now? Bromine is a liquid, right? It's a tube, right? I believe the bromine will fly through and enter potassium iodide. Why is it a gas, not a liquid? Look at the diagram. Because it's very near to this. You're hitting this section. It's very, very near. Can you see? So, right? So the bromine will vaporize. It become a gas. Exists as both liquid and gas. Is it? No, like bromine is always a liquid, but it vaporizes to become a gas. Okay? Now, so bromine now go and say hello to who? The bromine now go and say hello to potassium iodide. So the question right now is there a reaction over here? We shall use the space here, not enough space, all right? So is there a reaction here? Okay, we have to do properly. Or I can write below, right? So here we go. Then I got space ready. So Br2 will say hello to Ki. And once again, bromine is more reactive than iodine. Kick it out. All right, then I will have my K, Br, and I2. If I balance it for you. So what is Q? Q will therefore be I2. And it's still very near to the heat source, right? So I2 what? I2 by light is what? Iodine, what is the state symbol? It's a solid. Yes. Now, because it's very near to the source, it is a gas. Because iodine sublimes. We learn it in kinetic particle theory. Okay? It's just connecting everything together. Then what is Q? Anyone? Q is I2 gas, I mean. What is R? Because it's further away from the heat source. Can you see? It becomes what? The opposite of sublimation is what? Remember the term? Deposition. Very good. All right? All away. So it cool down. So it deposit. Done already. So do we know the color? Yay! Let's finish up here. Give me a moment. Let's get this done. Okay, what is at P? All right, whatever color I use, I still have to use this. All right, at P, we have Br2 in gaseous state. It is reddish brown. The answer is C, reddish, because that's the only one that gives me reddish brown. I just want to confirm my answer. I2 is what? I2 is a gas, iodine vapor. All right. So do we know iodine that well? We don't really know iodine vapor. So this might be a question mark. But once again, when we enter here, call R, iodine is a purplish black solid. It's so purple until it's black. So a lot of time they just say it's black. Again, answer is C. Should be very firm.
If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.